Hello my pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to go drab to fab in just 5 minutes. So this is basically an everyday makeup look which you can wear if you are going to office, college, or just for running errands. This just makes you look a little presentable, and it's gonna take only 5 minutes of your time, few products, and you'll be good to go. So if you wish to see, then keep on watching. First step is to make sure your skin is well hydrated, and for that I'm spritzing this moisturizing spray from Recode. It has SPF 25 and is enriched with watermelon seed extract, vitamin E, grapeseed and almond oil, so it's perfect for hydration. Next I'm applying a good layer of the vitamin C cream, again from Recode. This is such a beautiful cream, perfect for summers. Quick absorbing formula, non-sticky or tacky. Also this has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and is suitable for all skin types, so I like to use this for hydration, and this also leaves your skin glowy and brightened. So once my skin is well prepped, I'm going to move to the concealer and do some spot correction. We are skipping the foundation for today's look and simply using the concealer. This is a shade darker than my skin tone. Yeah, so I am basically concealing the dark circles and the acne marks that I have, and using this Rene foundation brush, which I like to use on the days when I want more coverage with less products. So yeah, that's what we are doing. Basically you can use any brush, any densely packed brush, so that will help give you more coverage. And I am simply dabbing the product on the areas that I want to conceal, and simply taking it all over my face so that we have some coverage, and doing the other side. So you can see this is a beautiful concealer and it gives some good coverage. As you can see, all the imperfections have been covered well and it looks like skin only. So yeah, now to add some color on the cheeks, I'm gonna be using this lip and cheek tint again from Recode. I have been loving their products lately, and this has to be my current favorite lip and cheek tint. It's in the shade Sunshine. It's such a beautiful lightweight creamy mousse formula, blends like a dream. This has a buildable formula, goodness of jojoba oil, and it just spreads evenly all over your skin. So I like to use it on my cheeks and also on my lips. You can use any lip tint that you have and simply apply it on your cheeks and the remaining on your lips. Now to set my under eyes and the rest of the face, I'm gonna go with the MAC Studio Fix, and again using the same brush because I need some more coverage around my mouth and under my eyes. And yeah, I'm simply setting the concealer that we applied. Now some people tend to skip setting their under eyes, but you can see how much of a difference it makes. So yeah, you need to set your under eyes, very important, using a compact or a loose powder. But this is such a beautiful product with such good coverage, so do check that out. Also I'm gonna fill my eyebrows, again a very important step. It just frames your face and makes you look put together. So yeah, I'm simply using the two shades to fill in my brows. And next step is to curl those lashes and apply some mascara. ऑल्सो गाइज, अगर आपको ये सब भी नहीं करना है ना, सिंपली एक मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाओ एंड देन थोड़ा सा ये जो कॉम्पैक्ट लो मैक का, एंड सिंपली एक अच्छा सा डेंसली पैक्ड ब्रश लेके उससे ही कवरेज दे दो अपने अंडर आई एरिया पे, और अगर कुछ स्पॉट्स हैं या उसको हल्का सा पूरे फेस पे अप्लाई कर लो कॉम्पैक्ट को, एंड लिप टिंट अप्लाई करो एंड कर्ल कर लो लैशेज़ को, मस्कारा भी मत अप्लाई करो, एंड या दैट्स ऑल, you'll be good to go. So this is the completed look and I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if the video was informative, and if you like it, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. And guys, let me know what kind of videos you wish to see next also, so that I have an idea what to make. And yeah, I'm gonna see you next time.